I'm Julia from Orange County 4-H, and I'm excited because PINY registration has opened up. Wait, you don't know what PINY is? Let me show you.
PINY stands for Produced in New York. It is a silent cooking demonstration that showcases foods, products, and agriculture, all grown and produced in New York State. PINY takes place every March at CCE in Milltown, and it is open to all 4-H youth, including Cloverbuds. 4-Hers are invited to show off their culinary skills while highlighting the best ingredients New York State has to offer. Start by choosing a recipe. It can come from your favorite cookbook or a cooking website. Or maybe you have a family recipe that's been in your family for generations. It can be as simple as a fruit smoothie, or as complicated as chicken piccata with asparagus and rice. Once you have your recipe, you can gather all your ingredients together. You can shop at local farms, get something from your family garden, or shop at your favorite supermarket. Once you have all your items, cover the labels of your ingredients. This is so you don't demonstrate brand loyalty. Now you can organize all your supplies and set up your cooking area. Place 2 large trays on either side of your cooking surface. One of the trays should contain all the supplies and tools you will need to complete this recipe. The second tray will be empty. Use this tray to place all of your used ingredients in. In the middle, set up a prep area with any cooking equipment you will need. Before you begin your demonstration, cover both trays with cloth or a small towel. You should also place a small garbage bag at your station for any items you will need to throw out. Now you are ready to begin to cook. For this demo, I will be making pancakes. I will start by preheating my griddle. Uncover both trays and place the cloths in a safe area. This signals to the audience that the demonstration has begun. Always put gloves on before touching or preparing any food. When measuring dry ingredients, always spoon into a dry measure and then level off the top over a separate bowl. After using each ingredient, move it to the opposite tray. Continue to the next ingredient. Always work from left to right. After all the dry ingredients are added and combined, begin the wet ingredients. Crack an egg by hitting it once with the back of a knife over a small ball. This is to ensure that no shell will accidentally go into the recipe. When using a measuring cup, always go down to eye level to be precise with your measurement. It is always good to have a cleaning cloth just in case anything spills. When all the wet ingredients are combined, add the wet to the dry mix. Pour the pancake batter in even amounts. While waiting for your food to cook, clean up your cooking area. Carefully flip the pancakes. For presentation, set up a place setting for your dish. Now you may begin plating your food. Add a side item or garnish to help maximize the flavor of your dish. Finally, present your complete dish to the judges.
And that concludes my presentation. Are there any questions? Wait.
Julia, I have a question. Can you tell me, please, what were the ingredients that were actually produced in New York in your recipe?
The blueberries were produced in New York, the maple syrup was produced in New York, and the egg was produced in New York.
Okay. And why did you choose this particular recipe?
Because I wanted to do something that was simple, but also
kind of healthy, so I added the blueberries instead of just doing regular pancakes or chocolate chip pancakes.
Thank you.
The judges may even taste your food. If you are cooking a baked item, such as a cake, pie, or cookies, prepare your final product ahead of time. During the demonstration, complete your recipe up until the point where you would place your baked item into the oven. Then present the judges with the finished product.
And now you know what PINY is all about. Now it's your turn. Go find your favorite recipe and those awesome New York State ingredients and get to cooking.